Hey everyone, it's Brian. It's time for your favorite segment, Feedback Friday. So Dawn B, all right, she says, don't fall in love with a stock. All right, Dawn, this is so true, and I wish I had known this earlier in my own life. Here's the secret, right? Picking stocks, it should be like your dating mentality back when you were 18 years old, which is this: date them all, everyone. I mean, all at once if possible. I mean, date a tech stock, date a speculative biotech stock, date that stable dividend paying stock. I mean, heck, date that hot stock on a rebound after a bad earnings report. But never get married to any one stock. Don't take it to dinner, don't buy it flowers on sweetest day, don't wine it, don't dine it. Why? Well, because that stock is never going to marry you. It doesn't care about you. You're only in the stock to make you money. So play the field, date them all, and ring the register when your stocks move in your direction. And you know what? Heck, there's nothing wrong with selling a stock or, breaking up with it and then getting back together later on in the future. Just never marry a stock, because that's foolish for a young 18-year-old like yourself. Date them all, right? All right, let's get to the next one. Thomas B, he says, there's no comments, no link? Well, wait a second, Thomas, you happen to post there's no comments
in the comment section.
So you found the comment section. I mean, oh my God, this is like trying to explain like the remote control TV to my mom. Like, oh, how do I turn my TV on? Guys, scroll down. There's a comment section below. Put your comments right in there and we will see them all. All right, let's get the next one. BSR Domain says your free book link does not work. Oh, okay, so here's what he's talking about, or she, whatever BSR Domain says. We have a free ebook, which we will send to you about some of our trading secrets, some of our strategies. Let's go ahead and put the new ebook link below. So you gotta put your email address in, and then we will send the free trading ebook to you. Time for one more. Josie R. Chi-Town Hustlers. Ooh, I like this. Okay, let's see here. She says, I agree. It's now buy the news and sell the truth. Yeah, this is actually a good point. It's always been known on Wall Street that the trend to make money is always to buy the rumor and then sell the news. And in today's day and age where information is flowing faster than ever before, this is super important. The news, when it comes out, is now a known event, so you typically see people selling on the news. So you always want to remember, you want to think ahead of the masses, think ahead of the mainstream investing public, and that way you are the one who is buying the rumor, letting the stock go up, and then when the news comes out, I already knew that, that's when you take your profits and sell. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Very important in today's trading environment. And that's it. That's Feedback Friday. As always, I'm Brian. Stop hating, start trading. Put your comments in the section below. We'll get to them in a future Friday feedback episode. Until then, have a great weekend, everyone.